I'm going to show you how to make these crochet ponytail holders. They're great for beginners. You can use any type of yarn or hook size. I used an F hook with medium worsted yarn. They measure a few inches across and the written pattern is listed down below. Okay, so let's get started. Slip stitch onto the ponytail holder. Create a slip knot first onto your hook, and then slip stitch around the ponytail holder. You're going to insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, and pull it through again. Create a chain one, to start, and then single crochet, chain two, double crochet, chain two, single crochet, all in and around that ponytail holder. That is the pattern. So you're going to repeat. You're going to chain two, double crochet, chain two, single crochet, and then repeat. Chain two, double crochet, chain two, single crochet. Repeat that around until you get to the end of the ponytail holder. The written pattern is listed down below. Work that around until you get to the beginning. You're at the end and you're going to cut your yarn. And then you're going to slip stitch in that beginning single crochet, chain one, pull through, and then weave in your yarn with your yarn needle. And then your ponytail is complete. This is great for beginners and it's pretty simple and basic. What it looks like when it's finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.